Then after checking out from Fox Glacier, we headed towards Banaka, and towards Banaka we went to see Lake Matheson. We did a small walk to the lake, and lake was very clear. Lake has a very clear reflection as the water is still. After seeing Lake Matheson, we got down on the way at a seashore, which is called as Bruce Bay. We took some photos, and then after that, we headed towards Moeraki Lake. Then after Moeraki Lake, we stopped at Knights Point Lookout. Knights Point Lookout has a very good view of the ocean. Seal sightseeing we did with the camera. They were very far from us. Then after Knights Point Lookout, we reached to Ship Creek. We took 360-degree views from a viewing gallery box. We walked up to the shore, collected some stones and shells, and as usual had some fun with the seawater. After Ship Creek, we reached to Roaring Billy Falls. We took small walk on track through dense rainforest. It is one of the most beautiful tracks to reach the shore to see the falls.
Ready.
We spent some time on the shore, collected some stones, shells, and took some photos, and enjoyed a lot.
हाँ HAAST
હાસ્ટ રિવર હા એ જ બી રિવર છે
આવું પાણી ઇન્ડિયામાં ક્યારે થાય
એટલે ઇન્ડિયા બોર્ડર
હા
પપ્પા
Oh, beautiful. જો ભાઈ તું ચા wow wow.
Then after Roaring Billy Falls, we reached to Pleasant Flat campsite. It is a campsite where you need to pay and you can do camp. Did a small forest walk and took some photos. Then next location is Fantail Falls. We did small walk to the falls, took the rest at shore, some took a bath at the fall, took photos. after Fantin Falls, we reached to Blue Pools, a long track to the pools. It has multicolored water, seen in natural pool, amazing view from the bridge as well. We spent some time at the poolside and took a deep in freezing water for the sake of photos. Also took a small video of the fantail bird. Then last but not the least, we reached at Lake Wanaka lookout point. We saw sunset and there was a beautiful pleasant view, took some photos. Then after Lake Wanaka lookout point, we reached to Wanaka Motel, which is Alpine Motel. Look at the TV size, man. It's amazing. Bedroom number 1. And this bedroom number 2. What is this? Okay, it's storeroom. Okay, yeah. There's this kitchen. Beautiful bathroom. Such a beautiful one. Yeah. Super. I'm just loving. We all had a memorable dinner and we enjoyed a lot. It was 6 degrees Celsius at 1.